even before putting this case on the phone, let's like test how well the MagSafe works and if it even does at all. Like, we're gonna see if this is actually dope or nope. Woo! Oh yes, sir. And basically, and this is from Ugreen. I'll put a link to get this item if you want it. And yeah, before I dive into that, this is also another device. This is a phone case for that matter. And interestingly, this is probably the most interesting buy from my Amazon order this week, which has a lot of stuff, honestly, because I'm still going to be unboxing quite a bunch of other stuff here that I can. Right, so basically the promise of this phone case is it offers MagSafe on Android devices, like especially like Samsung devices that don't come with MagSafe inbuilt. So as you can see, this is a silicone case and it has a ring, a metallic ring, and like the simple idea is basically with that ring it can stick onto like magnetic stuff, for example MagSafe case, or like a MagSafe charger, if you will. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause the video real quick because I don't have a knife with me, so I can just like cut this and get back to it. So yeah, this is the MagSafe phone stand, and I'm actually honestly excited about being able to have this, right? Because like I've gotten a gift for a family member, which was like a MagSafe phone stand that could also charge at the same time. That one was from Anchor, by the way. So yeah, this is basically just a phone stand. This has a wide range of motion, right, on the part that holds the phone itself, and can also twist 360 at the base, and if I'm not mistaken it can also extend. So as you can see, it can extend and get retracted. And yeah, let's even before putting this case on the phone, let's like test how well the MagSafe works and if it even does at all. Like, we're gonna see if this is actually dope or nope. Woo! Oh yes, sir. Okay, well, MagSafe, here we go. And honestly, this is awesome. Like, I'm not even going to lie. And I actually read so I did read one of the reviews that actually said the MagSafe, like this MagSafe case, also worked perfectly with a wireless charger, which is great. So basically I wouldn't have to take off this case if I just wanted to slap my phone on to the wireless charger. And like, I can't show that right now because I'm actually recording this with my phone, but I do hope you can bear with that until I get another device, maybe another camera or an iPhone, and I can pretty much like shoot anything I want. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. That was just a quick unboxing. There's definitely going to be more stuff coming, and of course, like, all these items are under $50 in case you couldn't guess. So yeah, please leave a like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thanks.